morning, Your Excellency. And now presents Articles 10 and Testa of the State of Israel. Her Excellency, Ms. Maya. Yeah.
See.
I want to shake your hand, sir.
Thank you.
Good. Carry on.
Excellency, I have the honor to present to you the letter of credence, which His Excellency, Mr. Isaac Herzog, the President of the State of Israel, has accredited to Your Excellency, accrediting me as the Ambassador of the State of Israel to the Republic of Fiji.
Thank you.
I have also the honor to present the letter of recall of my predecessor.
Thank you, Mr. President. Thank you.